Hi, everybody. I've been away from Instagram for a long time, and I thought I should go live because I have so much to announce. I'm actually going to do it in different parts on different days. So I hope you're all doing well. I was sick for a while, and but I'm very happy to see spring in its full flush. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm offering a few things this summer. One of which is sold out. The Haliburton School of Art and Design course is sold out. But I have a course at Loyalist College and a week long, and a very special new in-person workshop that will be take place at Tamarack Lodge, July 28th to 31st through 31st. And it's a fantastic opportunity because the experience includes the accommodation, the meals. The one of the co-owners is reputedly a wonderful chef, and she also happens to be a botanist. And so the experience will include a walk through the property, the woods, and so on, looking at the plants that she will explain to us carefully and identify and so on. And then we artists will ruthlessly snip away to make cuttings for our Gelli prints. And so it is a workshop on working with botanical material to create beautiful, layered, textured Gelli prints. And I have a number of different ways of working with the composition and so on, and the materials that I think you'll find interesting. The workshop is open to all levels. Botanical printing is actually a wonderful way to enter into Gelli printing. But obviously the more intermediate and advanced Gelli printmakers are very, very welcome. I can approach you at whatever level you're at, and so on. So it's taking place Friday, August 28th through Monday, August 31st. And we'll have a half day, then 2 full days, and then a half day. The workshop takes place in a yurt, which is so wonderful. And it's at Tamarack Lodge, which is a resort on Tamarack Lake, and you have access to all the resort facilities and so on. It's on a boat-free lake, which is wonderful. So very peaceful, very relaxing, and the fee is $800 all up. That includes the workshop, that includes accommodations, and it also includes the wonderful meals that will be prepared by Barbara, one of the owners. I can hardly wait for this to happen and to experience it, and I hope you can join me. I have neglected to mention that I will be joined by artist, designer, and educator Xavier Massé, and this whole workshop was his idea, and I'm very grateful for it because I think it's going to be so much fun, and he's a lot of fun. So it should be a good one. I think it'll actually be a very special experience, and so I hope you can take a look at your calendars and see what if you're available for it. So go to my profile on Instagram. Go to my profile, and in the link tree, you'll find the Gelli Print in the Wild workshop is listed, and it has a link that will take you to the information, including information, all the details, plus the registration information. And on my website, if you somehow are not you might be seeing this some other way. On my website, under courses and events, you will find it listed there with a button that will take you to that same page with the details and so on. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I will put links in the description below. And same with LinkedIn. So just depending on what channel you're catching this on. Okay, that's it for tonight. And I will be back tomorrow with still more information. Okay? So take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.